All right, today we're gonna bring some fiber balls for our actual pull pump. Now I do have a sand filter pump right now, but I gotta clean it once in a while and it's a lot of labor. So we're gonna try these fiber balls for the first time. So they come in a pack like this. Now these says that it's over equivalent, it's equal to 100 pounds of sand. Now 100 pounds of sand is a lot of sand, so we're gonna see if it could even fit. So when I have to change the sand on the actual filters, it takes about 2 1/3 of the actual bags to fill it up. So I'm gonna see if I could fill the entire system. But before I do that, I'm gonna cut these and put them in a large plastic bag because they're gonna expand. So I'm gonna cut them inside the bag. All right, so I got a large bag in here. I'm gonna cut this in here because I don't want to lose any of them in here. So this is gonna expand real large. So we're gonna try to cut it and see how fast. Oh, I can hear just the air coming out. Look at that. So look at these before they get too crazy. Look at the size of one. So it's expanding. Put them in here. I'm gonna cut it open complete. Just do it as I do, a bag or somewhere, maybe a basket, and make sure they get complete air so they can air it out, because they're stuck together, some of them. So we're gonna throw in fiber balls. All right, I got a bunch of them here, and I'm gonna fill it up to almost here. All right, make sure you do that. Right, so I am gonna open the bag that it came with, the extra ones, because look at this, still didn't fill it up. One bag didn't do it, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I have a couple more. I took a bag and the sample that they gave us to get it to a point where I'm satisfied, but they're gonna go a little lower, so you might want to add maybe more if you want. It's an option, but we're gonna leave them as it is because they are gonna expand a lot larger. You're gonna probably, if you want to modify like I did. So the water looks super clean after running it for a couple hours. Pump is working really well. This thing is working like a horse. It is super strong pump, helping my actual index run up and down the whole pool, clean, making sure it's all nice and clean in the bottom. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.